Hey guys, welcome back. So before we start today's video, just a small recap. In the previous video, we just talked about the low cost 8.5 inch touch LCD e-writers. So yeah, I have it over here. That is the Zodo 8.5 inch LCD e-writer we did. That was for around 309 rupees. I had bought it from Amazon. We have talked about the advantages and disadvantages of that product in the previous video. If you haven't seen it yet, do give it a watch before we start with the next product. Okay, so now in this video we are going to talk about the mid-range category, that is for around 800 to 900. And here the product has been successfully arrived from Amazon. The packing is great as usual with 6 months of warranty. So here I have the product taken out. Okay, the product is again packed with this material. It's a very heavy packing. They have definitely spent quite in this packing. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, I think okay, from top I can take it out. Okay, fine. Okay, again the packing looks good. It's a cardboard box printed. It's like a matte finish, uh, super classy look. There's a Alepayo sticker over here. It's not printed, it's just a sticker. There's no company name, it's just a sticker. Okay, even in the back side there's no company name. Okay, that's not an issue. Let's take it out. Okay, the first thing that I noticed with this product is the stylus, or you can say the pen that they have given. The pen doesn't has a holder on the product itself. There's no holder for the stylus in the product like the previous one had a holder. Okay, anyways, keeping this part aside. Okay, it's highly lightweight, you can say. The material looks durable. Okay, you can easily carry it in your bag or somewhere, there's no problem. Okay, let's get started with this. Okay, the stylus, the first thing I can see here, the nib of it. The nib is pretty thick, so if you try to write something it will come thicker. The Alepayo sticker again in the product, it's removable. There's nothing printed anywhere. It is printed, made in China, designed in California. It's a CE certified product, that's good. Here it has a single button, silver color. Okay, in the back side there's no button. Okay, fine, so only one button, that's simple to use. Let's start writing something. If I write something with less pressure, the lines are lighter. If I write something with more pressure, the lines are darker. This definitely means this product is also a pressure sensitive screen, LCD screen. Okay, so the nib is quite thick, so the lines are thick. If I want thin lines, then I think, yeah, I can use my nail or something. Yes, with my nail I'm getting much thinner lines. Okay, now let's press this button. Okay, so the entire screen is clean. You might have noted a small flickering that happened when erasing. So I just went to the manual or the box, you can see. I noted that it was already mentioned in the box. I can show it to you that screen flickering is normal. Okay, so there's no issue, there's nothing to worry about it. That's good, they have mentioned it. Okay, now just writing on this board is so smooth, you just keep writing on it. Okay, one thing to note is if you press this one button, the entire screen is wiped off. So if you make a small mistake anywhere, you cannot erase a small part, but the entire screen is washed out. That's a thing to be noted. Here I'm just drawing a small cartoon character, Doraemon, if you can recognize it. It's good for those who are into like drawing or something, or maybe for some people who want to do it for some calculations, or maybe to take down some quick notes, or maybe if you want to design something, or if you want to express your imaginations designs to someone else, then this product is something superb. The screen looks bit reflective in the camera, but in real life it's not as much reflective as you can see over here. That's acceptable. Okay, looking at the product, here we have a small slide switch. This is lock unlock feature. Now I have just slided it into lock. That means whatever I write, it won't be erased even if I press the silver button. So that is the lock feature. You can use it as a safety feature. I made it unlock and erased it again, so it's gone. Okay, here I can see there's a small slot for battery. Okay, let's just take it out. Okay, I'm just pulling it out. Okay, so you can see they have used a small 3-volt lithium cell. You can easily buy it from the shop when required. Okay, let's keep the battery aside and let's start writing without the battery. So you can see it's still working perfectly, but the erasing part is not working. That means the battery is just used for the erasing part, not for the writing part. Okay, fine. So looking at this product overall, I can say this is a wonderful product. I cannot see anything that is bad about this product. Maybe you should go for it if it suits you. One thing I can say, the product says it is good for 3 years plus, but I don't suggest this for 3 years and above. I mean for small kids, because if they drop it 5-10 times, definitely the screen will be damaged. I'm pretty sure of that. Or maybe it will come with a lot of scratches and stuff. MRP shows 1900 price, but yeah, definitely it's much cheaper in the Amazon site. It's also mentioned that the battery will work for more than 15,000 times for erasing. That's for an average use. The battery will go good for more than 2 years, 2 to 3 years definitely. Checking the dimensions, the entire product is coming for around 24 centimeter in length. Of the screen, you can say it is 21 centimeter. Checking the width, it's about 15 centimeter. So that's all, a small introduction about this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hope you guys will be there for the next videos too. Thank you once again. I have bought it for around 898 rupees. Portable rough pad e-writer. I bought it again from Amazon. Okay, this comes again under the return category. So if it's not good, I can return it. Anyways, the previous product, I have already returned it completely. Let's just give a look to this product. Anyways, now if you try to buy it, the same product, it's showing for 986. I don't know why they have increased the price a little bit. Also, they have removed the returnable category and made it into a replacement category. Okay, that's some of the update they have done. I would also like to tell you that this one, the Elepayo product, if you have not heard about it, then there's one more other product that I just saw in Amazon. That is the KinSound product. Okay, let me tell you the specs, and after ordering I understood like both the products are entirely same. It's totally same. Only this Elepayo that's over here, it's not printed, it's just a sticker that they have put. So I'm definitely sure even the KinSound will be a sticker. So if you're going for the KinSound product, which comes for 997, I would suggest don't go for it. Go for the Elepayo product because it's same. There's a better price offer also over here. The specs and the quality, and I'm sure the manufacturing is also same.